emotion I like to share with you is the love emotion. Okay, this time back the love we, but this time love emotion is your current situation in the present moment. Okay, because to find someone that you love and you want to spend the rest of your life with, that is have a very big impact on your life. Because when whoever you live with, okay, they will have the most impact in your life, positive or negative, depending on how positive or negative that person is, right? But sometimes love can be so strong that can consume us to be in a relationship that's not a good fit for us, because love, the emotion love is very strong, okay? And that's why there's a term called love is blind. You know, when we love somebody, it could blind us to think logically, okay? So like for example, when that love emotion take control of yourself, you avoid the red flags in somebody. You know, when you love somebody but they have certain negative qualities that are not good for you, but you avoid those negative qualities because your love emotion is taking control of you. And when you avoid negative red flag and you know that's not the right thing to do to be with that person, that means, and you still want to be with them, that means your love emotion is controlling you. That your love emotion is so strong that you, even though you see the red flag in other people, but you can't avoid, you still accept the red flag. And that means your love emotion is controlling you. And you don't want your love emotion to control you because you will not make the right decision, right? And that's why there's a lot of people in abuse relationship because their love emotion is controlling them, and they just let the red flag away, and then they tend to get abused and neglect because that person is not treating them successfully. And that's why it's so important for you to learn how to control your love emotion to help you think logically to be with the right person. Okay, because when it comes to a successful relationship, there are two things. Yes, love is important, but also the effort that need to be there. Okay? So when love is mean you want to spend time with them, right? To understand them, such as their strength, talent, their likes, their dislikes, their value and belief, their personality. And when you understand them, when you be around them and you understand them at a deeper level, that's how you build a connection with others, right? And the more you spend time with others, the more you love them because you understand them. The more you understand a person, the more you love them. And that's the human connection, okay? And that is something we do as a human being. But a successful relationship also require effort. Effort means how do the other person treat you? Do they treat you well? Are they honest with you? Do they respect you? Are they loyal? Are they mature? Are they caring? Are they treating you in a positive way? And that is called the effort that need to be required on the other side as well. Are they able to help you overcome challenges and treating you well? And that's the effort that we need to put in, okay, to make a relationship successful. Love is just spending time together and just understanding with each other. But the effort is how you go through life together. That is the term the effort. And we need love and effort together to make a successful relationship, okay? Otherwise, if you just based on love and the effort is not there, the other person is treating you badly, but you feel strong emotion, then that's not a successful relationship, because if they don't treat you well, then they will abuse and neglect you, and that is not a successful relationship, okay? And another thing is that love is easier to develop. Okay, but again, love is easier to develop because all you need to do is spend time with them. The more you spend time with them, the more you love them. Okay, but that does not mean that it's the correct person for you. Okay, it's the harder aspect is the effort. Okay, it's the taking action. Effort requires taking action, right? And if you care for somebody, then you're willing to take action. But if you don't really put the effort in, then you're not caring for them and you're not putting the effort. And that's why effort is also important to increase that caring, that honesty, that respect, and that loyalty. Okay. And that's why our emotion build up a lot quicker than our effort level. And that's why we have to learn how to control our emotion and not let our emotion control us. It is the effort, okay, that you want to pay attention to how you treat yourself and not let your emotion control you. Yes, we still want to feel that connection. That's part aspect of it. But also the effort of how they treat you is also important to make that strong relationship. Okay, the effort is the logic thinking. Okay, are they treating me correctly? Okay, you can love anybody, people can love anybody, but it's just the effort that they put in. Okay, and that's where the logic comes in. You want to make sure the love and the effort are together. Okay, and not just your emotion. Okay, if your emotion is just there but the effort is not there, then you won't have a successful relationship. Okay. Hey, remember, you deserve the best, both love and effort, how to make a successful relationship. You cannot settle, okay? Because, like, again, if you have a negative relationship and that person is negative, they will impact you the most. The people that spend time the most with you will have the most impact on you, either positive or negative, okay? And if you have a negative person in your life, then they will impact you in a negative way, and you do not want that, okay? And another thing to understand that you would rather be alone than with a negative person. Okay? Being alone is not a loner. Okay? Being alone, that could indicate that you are a strong person and not allow the other person to treat you negatively. Okay? And another point to understand is that you will go further in life by yourself than with a negative person. Okay, even though being by yourself you can get things a little bit slower, but being with a negative person, it will take you even a longer time, because with negative energy it will be difficult for you to further in life. Okay, so you rather be by yourself than with a negative person. Okay, you cannot let your emotion of loneliness or feel like I need to be in a relationship to make my life successful. Okay, and be strong alone is important till the right person come along. Okay, that give you love and also effort, because you deserve the best. Okay.